just like that. And now we go out and cast, or find a place to cast. I'm here with Blue Bandit. What are we fishing for today?
Anything, really.
Anything that swims. Is it a dead fish?
I think it might be like a tire. Rubber.
Oh, no way, I got one.
It's rubber.
I wasn't even paying attention.
Ooh, that's huge.
It's a monster.
Wait. Is that a catfish?
Yeah.
Channel cat.
Hey, fill the bucket up. We can keep that for the tank.
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, look.
Whoa.
I caught a massive catfish.
Hold on.
On worms. I hope he doesn't sting me. This is a quick editor's note, but make sure to go check out Brett's video about his new catfish.
Already in the water. Take this.
White bass or yellowback? I think it's yellowback.
Well, you can fillet him too. I'll get a little nugget out of him.
Yeah, I think it's. I don't know if it's yellowback or not. I can't tell.
Looks like a striper.
Does anyone have pliers?
I do back in my...
Stop.
Brett.
Huh?
So. Oh, I have one.
It's another. Oh, it's a carp, or maybe it's a.
No, it looks like a carp.
Yeah, I was about to say maybe it was a. It might be a buffalo. That might be a buffalo. It's either a common carp or buffalo. I'd have to.
These guys don't have stingers, do they?
What? No, you're good. It doesn't really matter.
Has a tiny mouth.
God bless.
That was awesome. I need more worms. Jeez, I'm getting eaten up, Brett.
I know. I'm getting eaten up too.
Even catching dirty gars can be fun, right?
Yeah. Oh, they're extremely easy to catch with a rope bait. I have to go up to that one.
Flopping, you whopper flopper. I will get you off the hook if you quit flopping.
I just had a gar, guys. It was... Oh, look, he's right there.
He's looking at my berry. No, he's not. He's just going
All right, it is 4:02. 10 more minutes.
All right.
Well, I wasn't shut out. Might have just caught a dirty gar, but hey. If you saw the huge one I saw, you guys would just be like, oh my God. You've never seen something so huge.
Oh, look, there's a gar.
Oh yeah, he's right there. He's coming up.
I'm gonna sight fish him.
Oh, wow.
Money. That's straight money. I'm right on top of his head. Right on top of his head. Look. Brett.
Oh yeah.
Look.
Wait, hold up.
Look, he's right by.
Oh, you had him, he bit.
Oh,
Oh, he's coming.
Come on. No, he lost interest.
It doesn't smell like mine.
Yeah, yours smells good. That's why. I mean, bad. It's more I wonder what one rod would do if you caught a gar.
Look.
Oh, geez, that one, yeah, he came up for it.
You gotta kind of let them take it because it's treble hooks.
Yeah, no, but it's really hard because I don't think they really like my bait that much. I don't know what it is.
Nice one.
Very nice. Look, you want to feel him? He's so like slimy.
I don't know if I want to touch them. Catfish are pretty slimy, but that's actually a really, really nice one.
Yeah.
He might be a pound.
Is he big enough to fillet?
If you want to. I mean, I don't really want to. This guy's like.
He's making the noise.
Yeah.
Bring him over here. We'll let him, if we catch like 3 of them.